Hi neighbors, I just wanted to give you a quick heads up that if you thought that this is autumn, we're almost finished with gardening, planting season is way past us, you're not so correct. Now is the time to be putting in seedlings for our autumn and winter crops. Yes, that's right. We can harvest some plants in the fall time and in the winter. What I've done here on my newest bed that we created is I put in some carrots and some spinach. Now my baby spinach is just starting to come up. It's just teensy tiny, and it's going to be a really good crop for the winter. It's a cool crop, so we grow it in the spring and we grow it in the fall, and I can collect it and eat it as it grows or freeze it. And then these carrots that will grow up, they haven't shown anything yet. I'll be able to let them grow throughout the winter with a soft cover over them, but I'll have carrots all winter long. Isn't that fantastic? So go out, put a few seeds in your garden, and get ready to see some results for some spinach, some carrots, maybe some beet greens, and some of those other things you might plant in the spring. See you later. Have a good time.